Good afternoon, everyone. Today's session is going to be really very helpful and it's led by Dr. Suvarna from Apollo Cradle and Children's Hospital. She is going to talk about summer health care for school going kids. So stick around until the end and ask us questions if you have any. Let's not keep you waiting any longer. Doctor, you have the stage.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Suvarna. I'm a consultant pediatrician practicing at Apollo Cradle Chirag Enclave. So, here today I am to discuss a few things, a few elements involved in summer health care of kids. As we all know, the season is really getting tough, and summer being the toughest season for all of us to tolerate, irrespective of age groups. Especially so in children, we have to take care of them externally as well as internally. So, I will just give a brief account of various elements that are involved in taking care of kids' health during these harsh summer months. First and foremost, very important is hydration balance, water strategy. It's very important to note that during these summer months, there's a lot of sweating. Excessive sweating leads to loss of electrolytes, the important salts in the body, and loss of water from the body. So these can lead to long term complications as well as acute complications. Very commonly, loss of water leading to dehydration also causes high grade fevers and heat strokes in kids. So, keep your kids well hydrated. Keep giving them a lot of home based fluids, water, coconut water. You can give them electrolyte rich solutions, fresh fruit juices made at home, which are not carbonated, which are less in sugar content. You can also make healthy soups at home and offer. If the child is not happy taking a lot of water, you can replace by including lots of fresh fruits and vegetables in the child's diet. Now, advantage of this is that fresh fruits and vegetables have lot of water content, good amount of minerals that can also replace your daily supplements. Another advantage is that your fresh fruits and vegetables are really easy to digest. The second element which I'm going to talk about is the digestion during the summer months. As it's very hot outside with the increasing temperatures and scorching heats, the digestive system goes for a toss. The metabolism is affected, so we must try and include fresh, easily digestible food items for your daily meals planner in your kids box as well as for your daily kids meals at home. Avoid giving lot of fried foods, junk, fast foods. These are difficult to digest, these hamper the metabolism, and they lead to health issues. Now, as I already mentioned earlier, there is good roughage content, there is good water and mineral content in these fresh fruits and vegetables as well. Third element, very important, external care. This includes the skin. See, severe sunburn during these summer months can lead to long term complications, increased risk of skin cancers at any age. So, we must avoid exposing the skin to the harmful UVA, UVB rays. How do you do that? Make your child sun smart. Keep your child indoors, encourage indoor activities, involve them in a lot of fun indoor games at home. Avoid any outdoor activities or games between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. If the need be, if the child has to go out during this time, then a lot of precautions have to be taken. The child must be wearing a hat, preferably instead of cap. That's one thing. Encourage using sun goggles that protects eyes from the bad UVA UVB rays. Now, what happens if the sun if the these radiations go into the eyes? there is risk of cataracts in the future. So it's always better use good sunglasses and protect eyes as well. Next is the child must be encouraged to seek shelter whenever he or she is going out in hot summer, under a tree, under a shade, anywhere. Encourage the child to wear light, good quality cotton clothes. With this, the amount of exposure of the skin, the area of skin exposed, is reduced. It also prevents too much of sweating and rashes related to sweating. The clothes have to be loose enough and relatively full sleeve so that the area that is exposed to harmful radiations is less. Last but not the least, use good quality sunscreen for the kids. Every time a child goes out, make sure at least before 15 to 20 minutes, good quality sunscreen has to be applied all over the exposed areas of the body. Now, by good quality sunscreen, what I mean is SPF of the sunscreen has to be at least 30 and it has to be zinc based preferably. This sunscreen has to involve the whole exposed areas of the body, and if the child is for long exposed in the sunlight, the sunscreen has to be applied every 2 hours. Make sure that the child gets adequate vitamin D supplements when the sunscreen is on. Now, the next element is keep the child indoors, give the child good hydration, give good nutritious food to your child. Water safety, when I mentioned, is very important because the best way to utilize your energy by doing physical activity is swimming. Swimming is a good physical activity. Having said that, please mind the timings for sending your child to a swimming pool. Before you send your child to a swimming pool, kindly apply water safe sunscreen lotions, avoid the tan, and finish off swimming before 10 o'clock in the morning or after 4:35 in the evening. If we take these basic precautions, we are sorted and child can really enjoy his or her summer vacation. Wishing all the little ones very happy summer holidays and healthy summer holidays. Thank you so much.